أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge in Allah from the accursed Satan.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful and beneficent.
ويشفي صدور قوم مؤمنين.
And God shall heal the hearts of the believers. In the name of Allah, the most merciful and beneficent. Warm greetings to you all. Viewers, this is Shahbaz Qamar. Welcome you to my channel SQ Health and Science TV. On this channel, we share with you authentic health related information and scientific facts. Viewers, as promised, this is the second video connected to the depression series that you are viewing. It is related to anxiety. What is anxiety? Its causes, symptoms, diagnosis, types and management will be mentioned in detail. Animations have been added to make the video interesting. It has been prepared with great effort, so please pay attention to the end. So let us start the video. What is anxiety? Anxiety refers to a mental state of nervousness, fear and worry. Getting anxious once in a while on certain occasions is normal, like getting anxious before an examination or interview or during stressful events. The anxiety on such occasions is short-lived and temporary, but it becomes a problem when the reaction of the person is intense and disproportionate to what one usually expects. If episodes of such extreme anxiety appear frequently, they tend to interfere with the day-to-day life of a person and has an adverse impact on relationships. Before watching this video, please subscribe to the channel since it inspires us and fuels our love for work. You can also click the bell symbol in the header to receive notifications of all of our upcoming videos. Please like and share the video if you enjoy it. There are more requests for you. We would appreciate any feedback you can provide so we can make our video even better. What are the causes? The exact cause of anxiety in an individual is not yet understood. However, some factors including genetic and environmental and certain medical disorders play a significant role in predisposing a person towards anxiety. An individual with a positive family history of anxiety is at risk to suffer from the same. People who are prone to stress or have had bad life experiences in the past, like domestic violence, bullying, child abuse, or emotional events like the death of a loved one, are at risk to develop anxiety. The stress can be associated with relationships, friendships, financial instability, and problems in the workplace. Certain medical disorders also predispose a person towards anxiety. These include thyroid issues, heart complaints, asthma, cancer, diabetes, mellitus, and brain degenerative disorders like Parkinson's disease. Anxiety also tends to arise from abuse or as withdrawal symptoms of certain drugs and alcohol. Symptoms of anxiety. The signs and symptoms of anxiety include: Number 1. Nervousness. Number 2. Worry. Number 3. Fear. Number 4. Tension. Number 5. Trembling. Number 6. Restlessness. Number 7. Palpitations. Number 8. Panic. Number 9. Sweating. Number 10. Shortness of breath. Number 11. Headache. Number 12. Concentration difficulty. Number 13. Dizziness. Number 14. Chest pain. Number 15. Trouble in sleeping. Number 16. Frequent urination. Number 17. Dry mouth. Number 18. Nausea. Number 19. Diarrhea. Diagnosing anxiety. Anxiety is a mental health complaint that is diagnosed on the basis of the symptoms provided by the patient. There are no tests of diagnosed anxiety, but tests like thyroid function test and vitamin B12 are recommended to rule out other medical conditions that could be causing anxiety. Types of anxiety disorders. There are various types of anxiety disorders. Number 1. Generalized anxiety disorder. In this type, a person has intense worries, stress, tension about little things. Number 2, social anxiety disorder, also called social phobia. The sufferer is highly self-conscious and feels embarrassed in the public, social functions and gatherings. He or she has fear of being judged in social situations. Number 3, panic disorder. It is characterized by sudden intense fear and terror that comes about without any warning. It results in palpitations, chest pain, shortness of breath, and heavy sweating. Number 4, anxiety due to some medical condition. Person has anxiety and panic attacks due to some health problem he or she is suffering from. Number 5, separation anxiety disorder. This refers to anxiety and fear when any of your loved ones leaves you. Negative thoughts come in mind as if something unfortunate would be happen to them. Number 6, substance-induced anxiety disorder. This refers to anxiety resulting from misuse of certain drugs, medications or withdrawal from drugs. Number 7, selective mutism. Kids fail to speak in certain situations like in public but talk normally at home with family. Number 8, specific phobias. Persons afflicted with phobias have marked fear of specific things or situations like fear of flying, of appearing in public. Lifestyle tips to manage anxiety. Certain lifestyle measures that can help manage anxiety include: Number 1, take a walk regularly. Number 2, do regular exercises. Number 3, ensure adequate sleep. Number 4, avoid alcohol. Number 5, quit smoking if you are habitual to it. Number 6, techniques like yoga and meditations to manage stress. Number 7, increase the intake of water, green vegetables and fruits. Number 8, join an anxiety support group. Number 9, share your problems with family members or doctor and avoid isolation.
So but the subject announced by my brother Dr. Mr. Iqbal Sakrani was the balance between deen and dunya. It is so important a subject that there are many misunderstandings, many misconceptions prevalent in our society, though are particularly in those who are not fully acquainted with the teachings of Islam and the Holy Quran and Sunnah of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So therefore, when I was informed that this topic has been selected for today's gathering, then I remembered an ayah of the Holy Quran that I have just recited before you. And it clearly mentions how much we should do for our dunya and how much we should do for our deen. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in this verse has declared that the akhirah, for which the whole deen revolves around the betterment of the life hereinafter, that is akhirah. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has clearly mentioned in this verse of the Holy Quran that dunya is in fact a means to acquire the betterment of akhirat, that is our life hereinafter. So let me first translate the verse, and then I, with the tawfiq of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, try to explain it a little bit.